So the G-Class was originally introduced to be the go-anywhere off-road vehicle. Now that is still in the car's DNA in today's generation. With features such as a ladder chassis, as well as 3 diff locks, the car can go pretty much anywhere you want it to. Now just to give you an idea, this car can climb 100%. Now if that means nothing to you, for every metre the car goes forward, it can also climb a metre. I'm sure you can all probably tell I absolutely adore the G-Class, and I'm sure we're all in agreement that it really is a piece of automotive history. If you would like any further information on the G-Class, then please contact us on the methods below.